Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a tutor at Sky Academy. We are looking at the topic of financial maths within the Year 11 standard course. Specifically, this is Earning and Managing Money, which is MSF1. We're going to talk about tax deductions. So tax deductions are just deductions that are allowed from your gross income. And by doing so, it makes your taxable income smaller. So that means that the income that you get charged tax on is lower. So your gross income will be higher than your taxable income. So what I mean by this is that if your gross income equals $80,000 and you have deductions, tax deductions of $2,000, your taxable income, or the amount of money that you can get charged tax on, will be $80,000 minus your tax deductions. So it'll be $78,000. This is considered a good thing because it means you get charged less tax and you get to keep more of your income. So now let's talk about what some allowable tax deductions are. So here is a list of them. For example, expenses, work-related expenses, like if you need a uniform for work, self-education expenses, for example, if your work requires you to further your education, travel expenses, car expenses, clothing expenses, tools, gifts, and donations. So these are all allowable deductions. And so now we're going to have a look at an example where you have your gross income and your tax deductions, and you need to calculate your taxable income. So Mick earns a gross income of $74,000 and is allowed the following tax deductions: car expenses, union fees, and education. What is his taxable income? So quickly, I'm just going to write out the taxable income formula. So it's your gross income minus your tax deductions equals your taxable income. So if we're following this formula, our gross income is going to be $74,000 minus our deductions is going to equal our taxable income. And so now we just got to figure out what our deductions are. Here is a list of our deductions. So if we add them all together, that's going to give us our total tax deductions. So 1,060 plus 650 plus 985. It's going to give us a total tax deduction of 2,695. And so if we substitute that into our formula, we're going to get a taxable income of $71,305. And so this money here, the one that is highlighted in yellow, is going to be the amount that can get taxed. And so your gross income was $74,000, but then we had allowable deductions, which makes our income that we get taxed on, our taxable income, lower.